Hi everyone, Alexis here with the Park Group. Thank you for joining us for another walkthrough Wednesday. Today I am so excited because I'm here with Sam Clausen with Dostie Homes, and he's going to be walking us through a beautiful quick move-in home they currently have available. So Sam, please tell us where we're at today.
Yeah, so good morning everyone. We are here in Reflections at Seabrook, and we're going to take you on a tour of our Faulkner home plan. This Faulkner home plan, starting off, we have a coastal elevation with a beautiful front porch, great accent color, and we even upgraded the porch to these pavers for you.
Beautiful.
Tying into that coastal color on the front porch, we have this beautiful front door with that wonderful full light, or three-quarter light door, I should say. But come on into this beautiful gallery.
Wow, I love the fixtures in this gallery area.
So this ceiling is 10 foot to 11 foot. It's kind of broken up into a foyer and a gallery area, so that's why you see two overhead lights, just adding to that elegance of this home. So this home starts off at 2,426 square feet. Again, it's our Faulkner home plan. We added the bonus room, getting this house up to about 2,730 square feet.
Great.
It is 4 bedrooms, 4 baths, and it has that bonus room.
Awesome.
Carling is highlighting the flex room currently right here off the gallery. This could easily be closed in with French doors to make it a home office, but it could also be used as a secondary dining space if somebody wanted that. So nice room, nice flexibility right here off that gallery. Up here on the front, we do have a private bathroom and guest suite. So this is the first of those 4 bedrooms.
And all the bedrooms in this house, as you guys will see, are very large.
We try to design each one of our bedrooms to accommodate a queen size bed and an end table on either side.
Certainly could.
That's always been a thing that we have tried to maintain throughout the design process. Now this is the first of the secondary bathrooms we're going to see. We did some fun colors in this house. We've got some black fixtures. You guys are going to see some brushed gold that I think the ladies are in love with right now. We have the LVP flooring. That is the most popular thing we're putting in homes right now, running throughout. Carling just walked by a coat closet, so we do have that storage right off the foyer as well. Turning to the right off the foyer and gallery, we do have a spot that's perfect for cubbies or a stop and drop right off the garage. This is a 3-car tandem garage here to the right-hand side. And then look at these finishes inside this laundry room.
Beautiful.
I think there's more cabinets in this laundry room than there are in some of the homes that people build these days.
That's so true.
But the designers did a great job again with the finishes and looking at that fun floor tile. Hey, it's laundry. It's never exciting, so why not jazz up the laundry room and do something fun?
Absolutely. I love it. And something you guys are going to see is the colors in this house that they chose, the finishes specifically, but the cabinet colors are beautiful.
So coming through this opening here, again, we have the 10 to 11 foot ceilings, but we have this common room. This is the way everybody lives now. We have our kitchen, we have our great room, we have our dining room that we're currently walking through. But looking back, you're going to see some of those finishes that Alexis was just talking about.
Beautiful.
This cabinet color is probably our most popular cabinet color right now. It is a taupey cabinet color. So for those of you that always wanted a white cabinet, but are scared of that full white cabinet, this is the thing that is replacing that all white cabinet. Again, those brushed gold finishes that I talked about that you were gonna see some of those throughout are stunning. We do have a walk-in pantry right here in the corner. So I can open that up and show you all the food stores that you're gonna need to fill that guy up.
Great size. You got tons of cabinetry in here. I love
Pull
that you
out
guys went.
or pull out trash, tons of storage, soft clothes on the drawers, stainless steel 1-bowl undermount sink. Did you see the depth of this sink?
It's really deep.
That's pretty fantastic. All of the homes we're building here in Reflections come standard with the gourmet kitchen, and by that we mean that it comes with a separate microwave, a separate oven, and then the cooktop is standalone over here by itself.
Awesome.
We also provide a standard 36-inch space for your refrigerator, whether that's a full depth or a counter depth refrigerator. That is up to you.
Awesome.
So this home was situated to take advantage of this gorgeous view that you see out through that triple sliding glass door. That is Reflections Pond. In the distance, you can see the playground for Reflections. So that is the amenity for this pod. Again, we upgraded to the pavers on this back porch. So You're not going to want to be out there spending time today. For you folks that are in the Northeast where you're covered in snow, we are chilly down here in Florida, but you can see this lives like a Florida home because it is designed to be a Florida home. We've even prepped on the right wall out there for your outdoor kitchen. We've got the vent stack sticking down so you can even have a hood venting out that future outdoor kitchen.
Mm-hmm. It's a beautiful lot.
It is a gorgeous home site. So looking back, yeah, we're taking advantage of this whole common living, dining, and kitchen area.
It's so airy, and I just love how light everything is. It's beautiful.
So as we come down this private corridor here, we're going to enter the master bedroom on the left. So that master bedroom, again, takes advantage of those views of Reflections Pond. We did upgrade to recessed can lighting in here in the master bedroom. So we've already added some of those touches for you, as well as the finish option. So we added some of the most popular electrical upgrades we see clients choosing over and over again. Master bathroom.
Stunning. That's the only word I can use.
I can't even.
Love the floors, again with the color of the cabinets. Love the standalone tub. Oh my goodness.
Our interior designers are just knocking it out of the park these days with these finishes. They're looking at what's trending online, whether it's social media or the interior design platforms. And they're really taking advantage of that with the finishes that we have in-house. Beautiful. To create that home that looks like it's been designed right for anyone to move in. Yeah. Large walk-in closet. We've got some double hung shelving and some single hung shelving in that walk-in closet. So plenty of storage for your summer and winter clothes that you actually need right now.
Yep. I love it. All the doors are pop door, or what's the term I'm looking for the doors?
Oh, for these. Well, this isn't a pocket door. That's a swing door there.
One, but this one, the closet one, and the one leading into
these are both pocket doors.
Love that.
So they push back out of the way, so they're not swinging into your room. So we try to take advantage of that when we can.
Yep. Yeah, thanks for correcting what I was going to say.
That's okay. I was wondering where you were going with that. And I figured it out quickly. Speaking of extra storage, we always like to, when we add extra rooms like a stairwell, we always like to add that extra storage under the stairs and take advantage of that. Yeah, I don't get tired of walking through this home now, seeing it finished with all of these colors, like you said, Alexis. Now, to the left, we're going to go into this secondary hallway here. There are two nicely appointed bedrooms in here that share a hall bathroom. Full-size closets, great natural light. Again, the LVP running through each of these bathrooms. And then there's that brushed gold finish with that black cabinet in there. Just feels really rich. And you can tell that this home has been upgraded.
Yeah. I know that was one of the first things I said for this bathroom. I said, oh, I love the black cabinets.
It looks really good with the black hardware and door handles that they ran throughout the home as well.
Wonderful.
Now, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to head upstairs and see this final bonus room.
Okay. And as a reminder, we are here in Reflections in Seabrook. So Sam had mentioned that you've got that Reflections Park right across the pond from where we're currently at. But you also have access as a resident to all the incredible amenities that Nocatee offers. So our two award-winning water parks, you've got all of the satellite pools, all the greenway trails. So all connected to different neighborhoods, amenities, and obviously the lifestyle here.
So we wanted to take advantage one last time with this home site and show off this optional bonus room upstairs. It is a bonus room and a full bathroom. So it adds about 300 square feet of living area, which is great. You can send the kids up here. There's that full bathroom that we were just talking about. I do see one thing I forgot to mention downstairs, and that's each one of our houses does come with a shampoo niche in each one of the bathrooms. So that's already built in as well. And I think you guys saw that there was a reflection on this pond. So I just thought that was kind of apropos to the neighborhood and where we are and where we're finishing up here in Nocatee.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much, Sam. And one thing about this room is it's really cute. I love the shape of the ceiling, and this would be so great for a multitude of things. So thanks.
Absolutely. It's a vaulted ceiling. Yeah. The neat thing about this bonus room is it's actually tucked under roof. So from the front of the house, it still feels like a one-story house.
Awesome.
So just a reminder, we're in Reflections at Nocatee. This is our Faulkner coastal home plan. She's 2,426 square feet downstairs with 300 square feet upstairs, bringing her to 2,730 square feet. So this is ripe and ready for you to move in, just as as you're ready to contact Sam Schneider, the other Sam out here in Nocatee, and reach out to him and he'll tell you all about it.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Sam. If you're loving this home, you definitely want to come out and meet with the other Sam. But we hope you're having a great day and enjoy this video, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Bye-bye now.